Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can make music with Desmos. If you want to play with this tune yourself, there's a link to this graph already in the description, and you're welcome to follow along with when I'm at the demo. First one is the function. This one defines the music notes progressions. And what this assumes is that your middle A is at 440 hertz. And so the way you get to play is you call f of 0. That's your middle A. And then you call the tone function. And when you do call a tone function, I muted this. When you call a tone function, you get the following. And that's your middle A sound. If you're looking for the middle C sound, that is -9. And that gets you this sound. So what we can do is string up all these values into a sequence, and this is what this G is. This A is what index of the sequence we're on, so let's go back to 1. This sequence is 1 based, so this is why we start at 1. And then you end at how many notes are there in your sequence? In this case, 9. And you set the step to 1. And when you do that, you get the following. Let's click out of it. Unmute. So notice I had to manually drag the slider to get it to progress to the beat of whatever liking we want. So unless you're okay with this pace of it going like this, if you want to play music to somebody with Desmos, then this is the best that I can find right now. Again, link to this graph is in the description if you want to play along. And I hope you enjoy it. If you did, please leave a like so more people can see it. And if you didn't find it helpful, let me know in the comments on what could have been better. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.